Discover the game changer for sports enthusiasts everywhere. The ball pump. Compact, efficient, and essential for maintaining optimal inflation of your sports balls. Get back in the game quickly and easily with this indispensable tool. There are many products available to choose ball pump, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ball pump from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Franklin Sports Ball Pump Kit. Introducing the ultimate solution for maintaining your sports equipment on the go, our comprehensive pump kit. Crafted to ensure your game never suffers from deflated balls, this kit includes a 7.4 pump with a flexible extension hose, ensuring easy inflation for various sports balls. Equipped with an inflation gauge, you can precisely measure the pressure, guaranteeing optimal inflation every time. With 3 needles catering to different ball sizes, from soccer to basketball, football to playground balls, this kit ensures versatility. Designed for emergency ball maintenance, it's a must-have for athletes and coaches alike, fitting snugly into its convenient carry case for portability. This user-friendly kit is ideal for gyms, schools, sports centers, camps, and beyond, providing a quick and effortless solution to reinflate deflated balls, keeping the game rolling smoothly. Don't let deflation deflate your spear. Stay prepared with our all-inclusive pump kit, your go-to companion for uninterrupted play. Number 2. Sportbit Ball Pump with 5 needles. Presenting the epitome of comfort and efficiency in ball pumping, our ergonomically designed ball pump. Crafted with your comfort in mind, its soft mold fits snugly in your hand, ensuring a seamless pumping experience. Ideal for volleyball, basketball, or soccer balls, this pump delivers optimal performance every time. Employing a revolutionary push-pull air delivery system, this pump inflates with both push and pull motions, setting it apart as the pinnacle of exercise ball pumps. Whether you're inflating a basketball, soccer ball, volleyball, or football, this versatile pump rises to the occasion. Good farewell to bent needles with our innovative soft needle plug system, ensuring durability and ease of use. Plus, with its comfort soft silicone mold, slipping becomes a thing of the past, guaranteeing a steady grip throughout your pumping session. Embrace unparalleled comfort and reliability with our ball pump, the ultimate companion for all your inflation needs. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to effortless pumping with each and every use. Number 3. Valiant Sports Ball Pump Inflator with 5 needles. Introducing the ultimate solution for inflating and deflating sports balls on the go, the Valiant 2-way handheld portable ball air pump. This compact pump is designed to inflate a variety of sports balls, including netball, soccer ball, water polo ball, volleyball, rugby ball, football, and basketball with ease. Not only can it inflate, but it also efficiently deflates balls as needed. Featuring a dual-action design, this manual pump allows for inflation during both pushing and pulling strokes, making it twice as fast as ordinary pumps. Whether you're indoors, outdoors, or on the playground, this versatile pump is your go-to for keeping your sports equipment ready for action. Crafted for comfort, the handle and textured rubber body ensure a secure grip, preventing slipping during inflation and deflation. Plus, it comes with a free nylon pouch with a zipper pocket to store extra replacement needles, keeping all components organized and easily accessible. Compact and lightweight, you can take this basketball pump with you anywhere, making it perfect for travel. Experience guaranteed satisfaction with the Valiant Soccer Ball Pump. Click Add to Cart now, and elevate your game to new heights. Number 4. Sports Stable Ball Pump with 5 needles. Push. Introducing the push-pull inflation device, your ultimate solution for quick and effortless inflation. With each push and pull of the handle, this innovative pump efficiently inflates your sports equipment, ensuring you spend more time playing and less time assembling. Designed for simplicity, this pump boasts minimal pieces and requires no hose attachment, allowing you to skip the setup hassle and dive straight into the game. Its sleek and robust design ensures durability, guaranteeing reliable performance whenever you need to get back on the field. Compact and portable, this pump fits seamlessly into your bag, trunk, or even your pocket, making it convenient to carry wherever your adventures take you. Say goodbye to the hassle of battery replacements. This pump operates solely on the power of your hand, saving both time and electricity. Experience the convenience of hassle-free inflation with the push-pull inflation device. Whether you're on the field, court, or playground, this pump is your reliable companion for keeping your equipment game ready at all times. Number 5. HDNNC Ball Pump. Introducing the ultimate companion for sports enthusiasts, our compact and versatile pump, designed with convenience in mind. Measuring at a perfect 8 inches, its sleek design ensures portability without compromising on performance, allowing you to inflate your sports balls with ease and efficiency, saving you valuable time. Crafted for on-the-go convenience, this pump is compact and portable, effortlessly fitting into your backpack, so you can take it with you to any sports venue. Whether you're hitting the court, field, or gym, this pump is ready to accompany you wherever your athletic endeavors lead. Equipped with multifunctional accessories, including 4 metal pin needles, 1 removable and flexible rubber hose, and 2 tapered nozzles, this pump is designed to cater to all your inflation needs. We highly recommend using the flexible rubber hose and pin needles to pump up a wide range of sport balls, including soccer, basketball, football, volleyball, water polo, rugby, netball, gym balls, and yoga balls. Experience convenience and versatility like never before with our compact and efficient pump, ensuring you're always prepared to keep your sports equipment inflated and ready for action. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.